Milo was a house cat, quiet, calm, and curious. He spent most of his days lounging near the back door, watching birds flutter past the garden. One afternoon, he heard strange, frantic sounds. Outside, a parrot, likely escaped from somewhere, was tangled in the netting around the tomato plants, wings flapping in panic. Milo stepped out, ears twitching. He could have chased. But he didn't. He crept closer, crouched low, and stared. The bird froze, terrified. But Milo didn't pounce. Instead, he carefully reached out with his paw, not to grab, but to tap the net. Bit by bit, he loosened it. The parrot scrambled free and sat still, exhausted. For a moment, they just sat in silence. Then Milo did something small, but strange. He stepped closer and gently touched the bird's feathers with his paw. Not out of threat, more like curiosity. Maybe even comfort. The parrot stayed. In the days that followed, it kept coming back. Sitting on the garden fence. Watching Milo. And sometimes, just sometimes, letting him pat its feathers again. Two very different creatures. One quiet connection.